Hey guys, it's Joe from Eastwood. In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Astro Pneumatic 12-volt 3-inch mini cordless pistol polisher with 2 batteries. Now, this is going to be a great buy for the beginner or anyone that's looking to get into detailing and is looking for a compact 3-inch cordless pistol polisher that's comfortable, quiet, and effective for applying polish, wax, or sealant in the tight nooks and crannies of your car or motorcycle, and comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and 3 pads. They are compounding wool and polishing. So why do you want something like this? To put it very simply, polishing or buffing is the act of smoothing out tiny imperfections in the paint by removing a very small layer of clear coat, usually in the range of only a few microns thick. Once you have that done, you could further fill in those tiny little hills and valleys with wax or a sealant, which even further enhances and protects your car's finish. Now, you could do all that by hand, but going with something that's going to be motorized is going to be a lot faster and a lot easier, and something like this is going to really allow you to get into the tight recesses and tight areas of your paint that are hard to reach with a larger polisher. This polisher is going to feature a powerful brushed 12-volt motor with 2 different length gearings that are adjustable with the switch on the top. You can switch that into P for polishing. That's going to be the low range. That will go from 0 to 2800 RPM. And then you can flip that over to S for speed. That will put you in the high range. That goes from 0 to 8300 RPM. You control that speed by simply pulling the variable speed trigger, which allows you to really dial in how fast you want this polisher to spin. A few other features here. You do have a button lock right on the top, which holds the thread still so you can spin on the backing pad without the use of any tools. Also, for some added comfort and stability, they do throw in a grip. It has a little bit of texture on it so it doesn't slip out of your hand, and it threads into either side of the body of the polisher. This is going to come with the 3-inch backing pad installed, and this is designed to work with most standard 3-inch Velcro pads on the market. They even give you a couple pads in the kit for you. You have a good range of abrasiveness to start with these 3 pads. They each have different cutting power. There's a compounding pad, a wool pad, and a polishing pad. All 3 do come in the kit. A 3-inch polisher like this one is nice and small. It's going to be the smallest in the lineup of polishers from Astro Pneumatic, so it's very easy to work into those tighter spots like door sills, those tiny little recesses in the front bumper, that type of thing. The 3-inch is also a great choice for headlight restoration and motorcycles too. Now, if you wanted to step it up a little bit in size, there's also a 6-inch DA palm buffer. That's pretty much going to be your middle ground. It's great for its flexibility. It gives a good balance between quickly tackling the big panels while it's still capable of getting into some of the tighter spots. Astro Pneumatic also offers a high-speed 7-inch polisher, which makes really quick work of polishing the bigger panels like hoods, doors, trunks, roof panels, big SUVs as well. One of the biggest advantages of this polisher is the fact that it's cordless. You don't have to worry about a cord rubbing over the paint of your car, and if you're polishing after you just detailed your car, that's definitely something that you're going to want to worry about. With this polisher, you get 2 1.5 amp hour lithium-ion batteries and a 120-volt wall charger that outputs 13.5 volts at 0.4 amps, which takes about 3 to 4 hours to charge one of these from dead to full. The polisher has a battery life indicator right on the side, green, yellow, and red, which means you have 30% of power left, and the battery itself has a red and green light setup too, so you know if it's charging and you know when it's good to go. There's a nice rubber coating on the body of the polisher as well, which helps with grip if your hands do get a little sweaty. Overall, the design is comfortable, lightweight, quiet, and effective. This product is even backed with a 1-year warranty from Astro Pneumatic. Now, if you are just starting out and looking for some advice, Eastwood also has a few paint correction tips and tricks videos posted on our YouTube. You can check those out as well as my other breakdown videos of the other Astro Pneumatic polishers that I mentioned. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Joe. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.